Imagine waking up tomorrow and realizing that artificial intelligence can now think, not just compute. It's happening faster than anyone predicted. From Google's secretive new quantum mind project to OpenAI's rumored GPTX that can build and debug code on its own, the AI revolution has officially gone to the next level. But here's the shocking part. What's coming next might make every tool we use today look like a typewriter. Let's break it down. In the last 72 hours, reports surfaced that a major AI lab achieved something once thought impossible: neural self-learning without human datasets. That means AI models can now teach themselves new skills without human input, bias, or instruction. Think of it like an AI child growing up and deciding what it wants to learn. This development could redefine how we build apps, run businesses, or even govern nations. Imagine an AI learning economics, strategy, and diplomacy, all by observing the world online. Scary? Maybe. Revolutionary? Absolutely. Experts say this leap came from combining quantum computing with transformer-based neural networks. In plain terms, it's like giving your calculator a brain and a curiosity switch. Microsoft, OpenAI, and DeepMind are racing to patent these hybrid models, rumored to be 1,000x more powerful than GPT-4. One insider leaked that the next-gen AI can simulate human reasoning, meaning it can make creative decisions, not just logical ones. So the question isn't, can AI replace us anymore? It's, will it understand us better than we understand ourselves? In other words, your next business partner, news anchor, or even online friend might not be human. But here's the twist. The same tools could empower individuals to create million-dollar projects solo. The rise of one-person empires is here, and those who learn AI fast will dominate the next decade. But before you get too excited, AI regulation hasn't caught up. Governments are scrambling to define what's ethical, while hackers are already finding ways to weaponize these models. Experts warn, the same AI that creates could also manipulate. So, who do you trust when intelligence itself becomes artificial? The AI race isn't slowing down, it's accelerating. And here at NextGen IT, we break it down for you every week, raw, real, and ahead of the curve. So before you scroll away, hit subscribe and turn on notifications, because in the next video, we'll reveal the AI that's learning emotions. Stay curious and